Hi, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Dennis Mboro from Digital Strategy and Marketing, the company that assists entrepreneurs with brand strategy, communication, and training to turn their dreams into brands. When entrepreneurs think about branding, most of the time, what they see is going to a designer telling them to design for them a logo, and putting that logo on as many surfaces as possible: t-shirts, mugs, hats, caps, umbrellas, you name it, to give the business as much visibility as possible. That is what you call printing. When it comes to branding, the business needs to represent a certain idea, so that even when their logo is distributed to many people, then they think about that idea and relate it with the business. For example, when you go to a social event, I can tell you, even if you go to a social event tomorrow, you'll most likely be served with a Coke. But when you look at how Coke have been doing their branding lately, it has been around the idea of making memories, so that even if you are planning an event, the first thing you think about is, I have to budget for a Coke. Similarly, what is the core idea of your business? What is it that you want the audience to resonate with once they interact with your material? To assist you, we are coming up with a training, Branding Essentials for Entrepreneurs, coming up very soon, so follow our content, subscribe to our channel, and follow our social media pages to stay updated. See you in the next video.